farm. You see? Yeah. This is our new set of winners. You see how they are? Properly taken care of, well managed. You know. Look at our animal. So robust. Look at our winner. Just recently win. About 3 weeks or so. Look at them. Yeah. This is a session of our farm. Can you see? Can you see? This guy here is hungry. Can you see? Can you see? This is a session. Look at our floor, how clean they are. Yeah, this is hygiene. This is the proper way to manage your farm. You know, with good hygiene. And you see the floor, how clean they are. So with this now, they will be far from disease in a way. This is another session. Look at it. Sometimes we merge, you know, mothers together. Look at this house. Here we have 15 piglets with 2 mothers. So we do that sometimes to assist, you know, one of the mothers, you know, that is not producing milk enough. Look at another cow. Yeah. So this is our majorly our farrowing pen. Can you see? You see? Look at it. Look at our piglet and the 2 mothers. Yeah, look at them. Can you see? Can you see now? Can you see? This is another session of our farm. On this farm, we have about 800 pigs. Can you see? This is another session. This is another session. Can you see? Yeah, we have some. Look at it. I'm going to another session. Yeah, this is another session. Can you see? Look at these growers. You can't believe they are just, you know, recently weaned. Not, I mean, close to 2 months at all. Look at the way they are. Look at them. This is another session of our farm. Another session. We purchased these winners from another farm. Of course, when we brought them in, they were so weak and, you know, not really healthy. Because we have proper management. Can you see? They are getting better. This is another session of our farm. This is another session of our farm. Look at the piglet, how robust they are. I mean, we're taken care of. So we have a very good proper, management on our farm. So it helps us for productivity and good performance. Can you see? Look at piglets. Of course, soon we are winning them. Look at the way they look. I mean, so interesting. Look at them. Look at them, piglets. Look at their mother here. Yeah, so about to win them. Look at them. So this is another session of our farm. You see piglet here. This one is about 12. This is 12 in number. Look at the piglet. Doing very well. Look at the piglet. These ones are sleeping. So this is another session of our farm. Look at it. With proper feeding and management practices, you can have, you know, high performance and productivity. Look at them. These are growers. I mean, look at them. This is another session of our farm. This is another session. Look at the building. Another session. So we just renovated this floor. Here we put the new winners. Look at them. This is another section of our farm. Look at the beauty. You see? Look at this piglet. I mean, so interesting. Look at how robust they are. They are not lean at all. I mean, we're taken care of. So with good feeding and proper management, you can have results on your farm. Look at it. So these are just new winners. Look at them. Doing very great. Look at these piglets with their mother. Look at them. Looking so healthy and so robust. Thank you for watching. Look at it. This is another way to monetize, to get money. Look at these droppings now. These sheets, okay, they are always products from pig. So this can be dried, allowed to dry, then bagged, then you monetize it. This a manure for crop production. You see them? You see them? You see them? So this is another structure race to process our manure. Look at this. These are my workers. Look at it. We mix. We have blood meal here. We have spent grain. We have PKC. You understand? Look at it. Yeah.